Oil was discovered leaking from the ship's side around the loaded waterline while the tanker was alongside the terminal, ready for discharging. The port state required all operational activity to be stopped immediately, and the captain had to arrange measures in order to minimize the oil slick. In addition, he had to call in the Classification Society representative for an assessment of the damage and determine the necessary repairs to be carried out before normal operations could be resumed. After the tank in question had been discharged and the gas freed, several cracks were found in the ship's side longitudinals at their connection to the vertical transverse web frames, all around the full draft load line. The cracks were found to be of various lengths, but only one had developed through the side shell plating. If the situation had developed further before being discovered, the whole ship's side might have been lost at sea, thus resulting in major damage to the ship and even its total loss. Cracks in oil tankers are mainly of the fatigue type, caused by cyclic dynamic stresses resulting from local dynamic sea loads. The crack will start around stress concentrations created by geometrical and/or welding discontinuities. Regarding the side shell longitudinals, the dynamic part of the total forces on these particular structural items will be high around the waterline, which was not taken into full consideration in the design of the older tankers. There are a large number of design solutions for the support of the longitudinals at the connection with the transverse web frames. Some typical examples are listed in the DNV rules, together with their corresponding stress concentration factors. It's found that symmetrical profiles like a T give lower stress concentrations than unsymmetrical profiles like an L under otherwise equal conditions. Cracks in ballast tanks may develop to a large size and still go undetected, since there'll be no oil leakage to reveal them. The lesson to be learned from this is, even in easily accessible areas, cracks of substantial length can be overlooked during inspection. Thus, thorough inspection and sufficient lighting is fundamental in order to detect such cracks in time.